everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm going to be writing in my planner for the week. I'm trying to think of plan. I'm trying to think of what I need to write in my planner. Since it's the beginning of the week and I'm not, I do have some plans that I can write down and some little tasks that I want to take care of during this week. So I will be doing that in here so you can see how I write in here. But yeah, I just wanted to write my planner for this video. Oh, there's actually, so on my little sidebar here, I put some things that I need to do for the week. And if I don't do it, then I can roll it over into the following week. So I did start putting away my Christmas decor, but I haven't finished putting it away. So I still need to finish. I actually have my tree down in my living room. I still have my tree up in my office and in my bedroom. But I have all the ornaments down and all the decorations down on the trees. And I just have the trees, honestly, because I really like the lighting and the ambiance that it gives me, especially in my bedroom. It's like the perfect lighting. So I'm still enjoying the lighting. And I'm still trying to figure out how to fit everything in my little storage. I have a small apartment, and thankfully I have a storage unit, like a little storage closet on my patio area where I can fit things in. And it's actually a lot more spacious than I realized. And I'm pretty good with organizing my stuff in totes and stacking them and doing that kind of thing. So that's what I'm in the process of doing, is just organizing everything. So I still have that to finish off. Also, I haven't done my Amazon return, so I will be rolling that over to this one to do. So I think I have till February 2nd, but I want to make sure I get it done because I'm really bad with returns. So I'm going to put it here. Amazon return. So we'll do that. That is at Kohl's, and then I already did that. Already did that. Okay, so those were like the important things from that list. Now we will make a new little important things list here. I'm trying to think of what other things. Oh, Christmas. I'm just gonna put Christmas decor. Also, I have a piece of furniture I need to build, and I really want to get that taken care of because right now it's just in the box. It's actually quite a big box. TV stand. Yeah, I just want to take care of that. So those will be my 3 things on the side, just to get it done this week, not date specific. Okay, date specific things. First one up. Unfortunately, back to work here. I mean, unfortunately, only because I have to wake up early, but I actually do enjoy going to work when I'm there and I'm with my coworkers. It's fun. So yeah, I'm excited to see everybody and catch up. And then next, oh, you know what? It's actually, so at my work, my coworker and I rotate getting pastries in the office for everybody. So I believe my coworker is the one who got it the last week we were there before Christmas break. So I believe it's my week this week to get it. So I'm gonna put here, pick up pastries for work. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna get donuts. Oops, almost spelled that wrong. Kind of spelled it wrong. I'm gonna pick up donuts and probably just clock into work and then just head out and go pick them up so that we get nice fresh donuts in the morning. Oh yeah, and then just a little reminder to not forget a receipt to Gabby. Okay, so that's like work stuff. Honestly, I feel like I'm gonna be really tired on Monday, and I'm not going to want to do anything else when I get home. Like, I try to be productive when I get home, but I know I'm going to be exhausted because I've been staying up late. I usually stay up late, but I'm staying up later, and I was sleeping in during break, and I'm going to have to wake up at 6 in the morning, do that whole routine again, which I'm a little out of that routine right now. So I know I'm going to be really tired. So I really don't want to make a whole list of things I need to take care of for that day. So I'll just leave this open. Oh, my ink. I accidentally wrote it on the sticker and then it smeared, but that's okay. Didn't really get on my spread. Okay, so yeah. I don't want to put too many tasks on my list for when I get home from work to take care of. I have a little bit of space so I can write things in. There is one thing I do want to do is start taking out my recycling, because I have so many boxes and different like things that I need to just take out. It's always the recycling gets backed up. So I'm going to put recycling just as a little reminder to do that. I'm always breaking down boxes and or I have like a lot of cans and jars and things like that I'm trying to take to recycling. Well, we have a recycling bin here, so I just put it in the recycling bin. But yeah, I need to start taking care of that because it's getting a little out of control. Also, I wanted to mention how much I love this spread and how adorable it is, especially Donald. Like, well, all of them, but I love this. Oh, Mickey's so cute. I love this spread so much. It came out so cute, and yeah, I'm just happy with how it turned out. Adorable. Okay, I kind of wish though this wouldn't have ended and kind of would have gone into here. Maybe I could fix that, but I just noticed that right now. Okay, let's see. Tuesday. Do I have plans for Tuesday? No. Tuesday. Oh, Tuesday is my payday. Okay, so payday at my full-time job. So I'm just going to put rent savings. Just to remind myself to put a portion of that paycheck into savings for my rent for next month. And then on Tuesday, I'll write down some tasks that I want to take care of here. I don't really have anything right now at the moment. Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. Not sure. Oh, you know what I just thought of? I need to do a manicure. My nails. So I use Dashing Diva. It's little stickers, nail stickers. They have stickers which are super easy to use. You don't need a light, you don't need anything. And then you just do a couple of top coats. And they stay on for a few weeks. But I have these. These are more Christmas themed. And they're starting to fall off. Like, they're little stickers, so they're just kind of coming off. And I really need to take care of this. So I'm actually going to write over here. Manicure. Actually, and also pedicure. I do my own, so I think I need to take care of that. So just a little reminder to do that. And then I'll write it in when I actually decide when I'm going to take care of this, because I feel like I could still go like maybe a day or two. It's really just this one that's coming off. All the other ones are pretty good. But I want to change out to a completely new, not Christmas theme manicure. Okay, so Wednesday, what else do I want to do Wednesday? No tasks. No tasks for Wednesday at the moment. Thursday. Anything on Thursday? I have nothing happening Thursday, nothing happening Friday, but I am going to Disney on Saturday, so I'm just gonna write Disney Day. I think it's gonna be me. Oh wait, no, actually, Disney Day. I should have put solo. Disney Day. There's a bunch of like merch and stuff I want to check out that I've been seeing has dropped. I have a gift card, so I kind of want to go and see if I can get a couple of things. Also, there's going to be new food. I think the new food drops, or some new food and drink items drop either Thursday or Friday. Cold brews. I love cold brews. I love trying out all the fun like cold brews that they have there and different food items. So I'll probably get a couple cold brews. Just have like a nice little day, morning, a couple food items, shop, and enjoy the park. And then I think later I'm hoping to meet up with my sister because she is going to be out in the same area meeting a friend. And she's not going to Disney, but she said that I could meet up with her after she's done hanging out with her friend. So I'm going to do meet up. Oh, my pen. With Ness. And then I could write the details here once I have those figured out. But I do want to meet up with my sister on Saturday if I can. Well, actually, if she can. I can do whatever. But as long as she can meet up, I'll go wherever she wants to. Okay, and then Sunday. So this is going to be my weekend box here. So I'm trying to think of weekend things I want to do. Well, obviously, I need... Oh, you know what? Since I'm going to Disney on Saturday, usually I go to the bank on Saturday and pull money out of the bank for my cash stuffing videos and also just to cash stuff for the week. I won't be able to do that on Saturday because I plan on getting to the park early in the morning because I know it's going to be crazy. I've been seeing that videos of people still, like the lines are very busy. And I believe at least out here, my mom, she's a teacher out here in San Diego. The kids, she's not back in school. She just has another week off. So, and also they just dropped like this new pass for California residents. It's a really good deal. It's like $250 for 3-day park hoppers. So I know a lot of people will probably purchase that because my coworker got some for her family. So yeah, I feel like there's going to be a lot of people at the parks because that's just how it's been. So I really want to get to the parks early so I won't have time to go to the bank before I go to the parks, and I won't have time to go after because definitely won't get out of there before noon. And usually the banks close at least my bank closes at noon on Saturdays, I think. At least the ones, like I said, the ones that I go to close or that early. So I want to take care of the bank thing on Friday. So I'm going to put a little note here. Bank. That I need to go to the bank on Friday for cash stuffing money. Okay. I have to do that on Friday because I won't be able to do that on Sunday. Okay, what else do I do on the weekend? I need to meal. Okay, I'll put that for Friday to meal plan. So that way I can do my grocery shopping. Depending on my meal plan is where I will go shopping. So I'm just going to put a couple of places with little dots and then I can write them down there where I need to go. And then let's see what else. Oh, you know what? I'll probably have to go get gas. So I'm going to put gas. Definitely want to do that before I leave. Fill up tank on Friday. That way I don't have to do it Saturday, like early in the morning. There's a gas station down the street, but I'd rather do it the day before than the morning of, just because I want to get there as soon as I can. Okay, what else? Grocery shopping. Oh, when am I going to do laundry? Okay, so since I'm kind of losing a day this weekend, I don't want to get backed up and like have to do all the things on Sunday. Like usually I split like doing laundry on Saturday and then grocery shopping, meal prepping on Sunday. I really don't want to do all that in one day. So I'm going to have to start working on laundry. I think Wednesday is probably a good time. So I'm going to put a note here to start working on laundry. Just a little reminder to do that earlier so I'm not having to do everything on Sunday when I have everything I'm gonna have to do that day for the start of the week. Okay, so yeah, grocery shopping. What else? Oh, you know what? I need to go to my mom's to pick up packages. I'll probably do that Wednesday. Pick up packages at mom's. I usually have a lot of my packages and things I get, I usually have them sent to my mom's because there's always somebody there. My stepdad works from home, so he's always home. And then when my mom gets home, he works from home, but then he also works at a school at night. But then my mom's home. So there's always somebody there. And for anything but Amazon, I usually have that shipped to my mom's. And she's not too far away. So it gives me the opportunity not only to like pick up my packages and make sure that they're safe, like they're not being taken from the, which I don't have that issue. I don't know why I mean, it happens though. But it's never happened to me with packages that I have here. But it gives me an opportunity to pick them up and also just to hang out with my mom and see her. Like another reason to stop by. Just to say hi really quick during the week. So yeah, pick up my packages at mom's. So I know I have a couple of things over there. Let's see what else. Honestly, I think that's kind of it for now. Okay, let me check. So, okay, I'm gonna write in here. I have a Scentsy, and I like to change out the fragrances every 2 days. So I'm gonna do that here. Scentsy every 2 days. So this will be Tuesday. This will be one day. And then I would do it this day, but since I won't be here, then I would do it this day. So I'll just put it here. Okay, and then also probably take out trash. And recycling. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. A good start to the week, at least when it comes to my plans. Okay, I still have places to write, and as the week goes by, I will write things in. As the days go by, actually, I will write things in and fill up this planner. But I absolutely love this spread. It came out super adorable, and I love it. It's so cute. It's a good start to the new year in my planner. I have this fun spread and this one. So cute. All right, so that's gonna be it for this week. Yeah, I'm gonna try to make sure I make more of these kind of videos because I know a lot of people like seeing writing in my planner videos, and I kind of fell off on it, and I want to be better about making this content. So I hope you enjoyed watching as I wrote my planner. Oh, also I wanted to mention, because I always get questions, this is a Uniball Zento pen. I got this at Target. You can get them on Amazon. It's a 0.7 pen. I really love these. Those are great pens. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.